Hello everyone, today we start our study with this book, and this is your English grammar book for class 2, and today we start a new chapter from this book, chapter 5, numbers, singular and plural. So student, singular means a singular thing and plural means more than one thing. Like this is a book, one book is singular, but more than one book it is plural, and we also add s to make them plural. If we have anything more than one thing, it is a plural. One table singular but more than one table. Three tables, we add here s to make it plural. One pen singular but more than one pen, it is plural. So we add here s to make it plural. One tree singular but more than one tree are plural, so we add here s to make them plural. So student, singular means one thing, singular thing, and plural means more than one thing, and we add here s to make it plural. But if any word which end with ch, s, ch, x, o and sh, we add here es to make them plural. Like bench, one bench, two benches, one bus, three buses, one watch, two watches, one box, three boxes, one mango, four mangoes, one brush, five brushes. So here we add es to make them plural. In exercise 1, we add here s or es to make them plural. So they all are noun and they all are singular thing. So we add here es or es to make them plural. Like banana, we add here s, b-a-n-a-n, b-a-n-a-n-a, s, bananas. But if any word which end with x, sh, ch and o, we add here es to make them plural. Like fox, foxes, wish, wishes, clock, but it end with only k, so we add here s, clock, ks. Match, matches, it end with ch, so we add here es, matches. Color, colors. Pencil, pens, it end with l, so we add here only s, pencils. But it end with o, so we add here es to make it plural. Potatoes, p-o-t-a-t-o-e-s, potatoes. We also write here class work and date 10/7/2020. In exercise 2, we add here ies and remove the y to make it plural. Like one baby singular but two baby, b-a-b-i-e-s, babies, it is plural. One lady singular but we add here ies to make it plural. Three ladies, l-a-d-i-e-s, we add here is and remove the y. One fairy, many fairies, f-e-r-r-i-e-s. One fairy, four fairies, f-a-i-r-i-e-s. One puppy, many puppies, p-u-p-p-i-e-s. So this is your exercise 2. In exercise 3, we remove f and add ves to make it plural. We remove f and add ves to make it plural. Like one wolf, two wolves. One wolf is singular but two wolves is plural. One loaf, singular, five loaves, l-o-a-v-e-s. We remove f and add ves to make it plural. One life singular, many lives, more than one lives, lives. One shelf singular, 4 shelves, shelves. 1 calf singular but 4 calves, calves, calves is plural. 1 thief, many thieves, thieves. So if any word which end with f, we remove the f and add ves to make it plural. So this is your chapter 5, singular and plural. So if you have any problem to understand this chapter, you write on my comment box. And chapter 6 we will start in new video. So till that, keep study, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.